the people made fun of Noah. Anybody have some haters out here making fun of you? Anybody? You gotta tell them haters bye-bye here, because if God told you to do something, you need to do it. Don't worry about what somebody over here said. He said, she said stuff, and you over here saying, well, she said, that don't look right, and he said this. You gotta focus on what God is saying. That's what Noah did in the beginning. Noah focused on what God was doing. He was the righteous. He was the only one in the city where he was in that obeyed God. He was the righteous man in the city where he was.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
I'm at a loss for words. There's nothing to say. I sit in silence.